In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage views in Airtable. Views are one of the most powerful parts of Airtable because they control how you see and work with your data without changing the underlying records. Let's walk through how to create, customize, and organize your views so your base stays clean and easy to use. First, let's talk about creating a new view. Look to the left side of your Airtable base for the View sidebar, which is the panel with the list of your existing views. At the top of that panel, click on the option that says Create New. When you do, Airtable will ask what type of view you want to make, such as grid, Kanban, gallery, and others. The grid view is like a spreadsheet and is great for general data entry. Kanban is perfect if you want a board layout, like tasks moving through stages. Gallery is handy when you want big visual cards, for things like assets or profiles. Choose the type that best matches how you want to work with your records. Once your view is created, you can start customizing it so it only shows what you need. Begin with filters. Filters let you show only records that meet certain criteria. For example, you might filter where the status field is set to Done, so you only see completed tasks. This helps you avoid clutter and focus on what's relevant for that view. Next, you can group your records. Grouping stacks records together based on a field, such as assignee or project. When you group by assignee, for instance, each person gets their own collapsible section with just their tasks. It's a great way to quickly understand who is responsible for what. You can also sort records to control the order they appear. Sorting by due date helps you see what's coming up first, while sorting alphabetically by name or by priority can make scanning your data much easier. You can combine multiple sorts to get exactly the order you want. Another key customization is hiding fields. In some workflows, you don't need to see every column all the time. Hide fields that aren't relevant for that particular view so you can keep the layout clean and focused. Remember, hiding a field in a view does not delete it. It just removes it from that specific view's display. Now let's organize your views using sections. At the bottom of the View sidebar, click on New Section. Give your section a clear name that reflects how you want to group your views, such as Sales Views or Marketing Views. Once the section is created, simply drag and drop existing views into it. This makes it much easier for you and your team to find the right view quickly, especially in large bases. You can also collapse or expand sections to reduce visual clutter. Click the small arrow next to a section name to hide or show all the views inside it. Collapsing sections you're not actively using keeps your sidebar tidy and helps you stay focused on the views that matter most right now. By creating the right types of views, customizing them with filters, groups, sorts, and hidden fields, and then organizing everything into sections, you'll turn your Airtable base into a well-structured, easy-to-navigate workspace.